mshahara ma MPs. Kwanza tutafutilie zile pesa zetu zote zimepotea.
Oma, wegerere ku.
Speaker abuge ya furulileti ya kamiti ya uramati wa mishara itigane na ikinyaliayo. Thirikari ndikuguo hiyo bara-ini ya kuhitana na migedere miuru na wagagu thutha wa murimu mweru wa gutheka gutumuka. Hatiri undu tagaja janene ya Rwaka Kiambu ni Rwaka Kiambu, janene ya Kino Kiambu ni Kino Kiambu. Hoyo nene ya mohoro radio-ini ciothe ni Kameme kayuka muingi kuria guku bururi-ini twamukagira kugerera njambo ya cia frequency modulation na kuo kuraya na njambo ya cia mucii ugatwamukira kugerera ithimi cia wireless network protocol ithimi cia 802.11 na jitagwo Moses Kanyira. Speaker wa bunge ya kibũrũri Justin Muturi oritie kamiti ya uramati wa mishara SRC itiganirie ikinyania yo ria guthie goti-ini kuregana na njoherera cia marehi ma nyumba iria bunge meriga gwithukira. Akiaria mwena wa Siakago, Muturi augite ithenya-ini riu oritie SRC kuharĩria miario na utongoria wa bunge niguo kugia na mwerekera wigie marehi macio maria bunge makinyiriirie ni kihoto kiao.
Taking another one to court. Kenya na not us. Hao mawakili wanaenda kuwakilisha nini, nani analipa hao? Ukiona watu wa magazeti wanaandika huyu ameshindwa, hiyo commission imeshindwa, ile ingine hiyo imeshindwa. Lakini najua ni mawakili wanalipwa. Nani analipa? Kwa serikali ni nani? Sio nyinyi. Serikali ya mwananchi. So we should ask ourselves a question. What is the rationale of efforts at consultation failed? Or have any efforts been made to try and resolve disputes before resorting to court actions?
Muturi aritio riri muingi mwino wa gicua-ini urutite mawoni ma kumenereria bunge na ni kurumirira riboti atirenda gucerehura kigina kia SRC ni undu wa kungathia njoherera ciao cia marehi megie nyumba, marehi maria marenda mishara mathunya.
Mathias Chipeta, na jana tuliona kwamba wabunge walifanya ile kamukunji na wakasema kwamba watapunguza zile budget ambazo commission ya SRC imepeleka kwao. I feel this is extortionist na pia vile ni blackmail.
Kwa majina naitwa Pauline Komboka na mimi ni mkazi wa Mombasa. Na mimi kama Mkenya nitajiuliza, kabla hawajapatia mshahara ama wajiongezea mshahara ma MPs, kwanza tutafutilie zile pesa zetu zote zimepotea. Kenya ukiangalia kwamba hapa Mombasa kuna watu wanalala njaa, kuna watu wanalala kwa street, na kila kukishao wewe watakaongezewe pesa.
Thirikari ndikuguoyo hiyo bara-ini ya kuhitana na migedere ria ihandite miri bũrũri-ini gĩciũthi cia kamari na ndawa cia kulevya. Minister wa ugitiri wa thĩinĩ Ndagĩtarĩ Fred Matiang'i niwe wanĩrĩirie wakihinyĩrĩria atĩ ciũthi ici nĩ ũgwati kũrĩ mbeũ njĩthĩ gũkũ bũrũri-ini. Matiang'i ni okereire aigithia kuma na nja wa bũrũri kana onjoria kuma nja wa bũrũri aria marĩ na itanya rĩa kuhithania biashara cia wendia na uthondeki wa njohi na ndawa cia kulevya bũrũri-ini.
Pretend and let us not pretend. Join us as government in the war we are putting against gambling and gaming in this country. This thing is messing up our children. And don't tell me that it's business. It's not business. This is business in the death and destruction of our children. You cannot make money at the altar of destroying our young people. Join us in the war we are putting up in the sale and distribution of cheap illicit brews, drug trafficking. This madness is real. We have an application on my desk right now at the Ministry of Interior by some lunatic who is saying they need licenses to build a factory in Kenya that processes cannabis for pharmaceutical use. You can imagine, I don't know how much space we opened in our country for the devil to the extent.
Thirikari ndikuguoyo hiyo bara-ini yo na Matiang'i augite thirikari iyo torete kugitira na gukura mbeũ njĩthĩ mĩnyororo-inĩ na mĩgendere itari na kiguni iria yerekeire guthogothania na kuhikisha na gukobovania miikarire miturire ya andũ ethĩ bũrũri-ini.
Just tell me, which government will accept those kinds of things? God has been so kind and gracious to us and blessed us indeed with wonderful children that we have here and a wonderful youthful generation, people we should raise to move forward and drive this country. How is it that we are debating on things that have no value in the lives of our children? It will not happen. In fact, I agreed with my peers yesterday. We won't even respond to that letter. We want him to make an advance and we will sort him out. It cannot